Hi, my name is Mike Stewart, and I'm a construction lawyer at Attack Law. This short video is about builders' liens for contractors. I'm making this video because builders' liens are difficult to understand, but they are a very powerful tool for contractors to use to secure their payment. The builders' liens come from the Builders' Lien Act. The Act sets out who can file a lien on a property depending on what work was done. A contractor, generally under almost all cases, is able to file a lien on a property. What that lien does is it allows that contractor to put a charge on the title of the property so that dealing with the property by the owner is prevented in the future. For example, if the owner is financing the build with bank loans, the bank will see that lien on the title and tell the owner to have it removed. What that often encourages the owner to do is to pay out the amount of the lien to the contractor or to pay out the holdback. Thus, in that case, the contractor would get their money back. Under the Builders' Lien Act, there are very strict requirements for timelines. A contractor who is going to lien a project must do so within 45 days of substantial completion or completion of the head contract. There are details around what substantial completion means, also whether there's a head contractor engaged. But be aware that there are very strict timelines. In the case where a contractor is engaged below a general contractor, then the timeline starts to run from the date that the general contractor's contract is completed or terminated. Again, there are certain details that I'm not mentioning that will change when those deadlines run, but just be aware that the 45 days is a very important deadline, because if it's missed, then no lien may be filed, and any lien that is filed will be removed from the title and possibly also costing the contractor money. So suppose now you do have a lien that was actually attached to the title and is now protecting your interest. What do you do? Well, as I mentioned before, in the case where there is a bank financing the development, you will likely have that lien paid into court or paid into a lawyer's trust. That doesn't mean you're going to get paid out on that lien. What it does mean is that the owner has taken the amount of money for the lien and put it somewhere where you can fight over getting it. What it means is that the owner has the money. And that's a very good thing for you, because you want to make sure if you're suing them that you'll actually be able to recover if you win. So in order to get that lien, what you need to do is either negotiate or you need to be able to sue them. When you sue them, then you know that that money is being held in trust or in court, and you'll be able to recover it if you're successful in the lawsuit. But again, you don't actually get the money just because you have a lien, but it is a powerful tool because it causes the owner all kinds of trouble in trying to deal with the property. The other thing that I want to bring your attention to is what happens when you file a lien and the owner serves you with a notice to commence an action. Now, this is a tool that the owner can use to have invalid liens removed. If you are served with a notice to commence an action, you must start the lawsuit within 21 days of receiving the notice. If you don't, then your lien will be removed and all your rights will be taken away. So it's very important that you comply with all the deadlines under the statute. The courts are not lenient about dates and deadlines with liens at all. So if you miss the 21 days, your lien is gone. Likewise, if you miss the 45 days, your lien is gone. So powerful tools, but make sure you're aware of the dates and deadlines when using them. Now, if you have any further questions about liens, I highly recommend that you speak with a lawyer, speak with me, or speak with another lawyer in construction law, because as I mentioned, the Lien Act is very strict about what you can and cannot do with liens. Powerful tools, but you have to use them wisely. So if you want to know more, please reach out, call me or email me. My name is Mike Stewart at Attack Law, and if you want to know more about builders' liens, I can definitely help you with that. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.